Guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, and do the thing. You know what thing it is. Subscribe.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. Now, today I want to talk about being a traveling supply TA and the process that I went through. And if you're interested to do that, you can do it too. So the process I did was I went on a site for agency. So there are agency that supply for teachers and TA. So all you have to do is you just signed up to that agency and then they will get back to you. After they get back to you, you have to do first before that you have to do a safeguarding test to see if they know what you know about safeguarding the children. And after that, when they get back to you, you have to do a process. And the process is you have to do a DBS. And DBS is like a police record, but you've got to do an extensive one so they know your background, if you got any conviction, yes or no. But with an agency, you've got to pay for your DBS yourself. I mean, when I was employed to a school, the school did it for me. So I was quite surprised that I had to pay for it. But when you pay for it, then you give them all your information, your ID and everything, your name, your full name, and any more information they want, you have to provide for it. And then after you've been vetted and they see that you're okay, they now put you onto their agency. So after they put you onto their agency, then you have to set up a app. Well, the app for the agency, whatever agency you supply with. So after you set up the app, then it will say you're being employed to that agency. After that, then you'll get notifications of school in the morning. Sometimes they do it at night. So you have to log on. They will ask you if you are ready for work. When you're logged on, you have to say yes, because you've got to get up in the morning. You've got to get ready for work. So when you get ready for work, you might get work and you might not get work, but most of the times you get work. But you have to be quick because there's a lot of people waiting for work. So your phone and your notification is going to be your best friend, and it's got to be beside you, else you lose out of a job. So when you get up early, you log on to the website. It's going to ask you if you are ready for work, and you click yes. So then a school will come up and you can accept or you can decline. Sometimes I decline because it's a too far journey for me on when I got that notification. And so you have to be quick to accept the school of your choice. So because it's your choice of where you work. So they'll tell you have to bring your DBS and you've got to bring your ID with you, because it's different schools, so they don't really know you. So when you have to bring your DBS and ID, so that school knows that you are capable of working with children. and that you don't have any conviction. So now you, after you get that notification and you accept that job, Google is gonna be your best friend. It's either you drive or you take the bus, some public transportation, taxi, whatever you want. But you've got to map out where you're gonna go. You've got to look on the postcode and see the distance. The app will the agency will tell you how much minutes or hour you're gonna travel, and then it tells you if there's parking space for you in the school or if free parking space is on the road. So Google would be your best friend. The only downside of supplying and working in different schools is that you don't bond with the staff, and you bond with the staff and the children for that day, but you don't, because you don't know tomorrow you may not be in that school, or you may just stay if you're employed for the whole week. So on the app, it shows you when you're available or not you're available. It's up to you to tell them if you're available, yes or no. So you don't bond with people because you don't know how long you've been at the school. It could be 1 day, it could be 2 days, 3, whatever your choice, whatever that school choice is for a supply teacher or TA. And yeah, it does have a downfall in it. Sometimes the staff, some schools, they can be wonderful, and some it's like they can't bond with you because they know they may not see you again. But on Monday I got a class cover, so that school was very close to me. The children, they were so amazing, they were so nice, and the staff, oh, they were so accommodating. I could have drive, but I didn't, so I took the bus because it wasn't that far from me, and I was welcomed, and I did all the procedures, and then I did what I had to do, and I wanted that school on Tuesday. I waited, but oh my God, when the school came up and I clicked, someone got it. I was so gutted, but that's not okay because it will come up again. And my Tuesday wasn't wasted because on Tuesday was my first day at maths class. So before I went to maths class, I edit a vlog. The vlog that's gonna be before this. So I edit that vlog. And then I went to my maths class. It was about 6 of us in the class, which is nice because the teacher could have time for each and every one. So I did enjoy that. Some things I forgot. Thick brain. I forgot, but you know what? When the teacher explained it to me and showed me, I'm like, yeah, I did this before, way before. But yeah, I understand it. So I'm going to practice. So, because today after this, I'm going to practice some more. And then, so that was Monday, I went to the school. Tuesday, I stayed at home. Wednesday, I went to the school. I went for the whole day. And trust me, the school was so big. I did vlog in the staff room, which was okay because you can't vlog. You can't show the kids vlogged in a classroom because that's against rule. You don't want to be in trouble. You don't want to be convicted for anything you shouldn't. So I did take a little video in the staff room. The school was so, it had so many staff, but trust me, all the staff was so welcoming. They were so kind. They showed you everything. Trust me, everything. They went through everything. They were so patient because you know when you're at a new school, people are not that patient, but trust, they were so patient. They showed me around. I did my thing. I wish I get that school again because that school was amazing. Trust me, I just want to go back. I know. If you see I'm looking over here, I made some notes, so don't worry because I don't want to forget everything, you know, because I want you to get my life. This is about my life. Supplying is what I'm doing now because that's best for me. I don't know if it's best for you, but at this moment it's best for me because I have too much things going. I'm studying, I'm working at another job, and I'm doing this, and I've got my home to look after as well. So that's it. So I told you about Wednesday. So now, if that is for you, I think you should give it a try. Just give it a little try. So today is Thursday, and the school I went to Monday came up, but I was so busy that passed me. But that's okay. I'm not wasting my Thursday. I'm making this vlog, so get with it. I'm making this vlog. I did my housework. I did everything, and now they gave me a school, but that school was too far. I have to take a train, tram, bus. So I declined that and said that was too far. So I'm going to make my Thursday very productive because I'm going to practice some maths, as I said before. So I'm going to do that, and I've got to do house things, make some appointments. So that's how my week goes. And tomorrow is Friday. So tomorrow is Friday, and I'm gonna go. I've booked an appointment to do swimming tomorrow and meet up my friends. So that's gonna be nice. So, cause I have some of them didn't come last week, so I didn't get to see them. So tomorrow, I've got an appointment as well. So after swimming, I'll make my appointment. And I'll get back to you. So what do you think? You need to comment and tell me, how am I doing? Is my vlogging getting better? Because, you know, this girl is putting herself out. And I'm beginning to talk a lot. Because I'm a chatterbox, you know. I was just being shy. You know, when you just start out, you're shy. But now I'm getting used to the camera a lot. Do you like my hairstyle? Oh God, I know. Good. So that's how my week went. So I get to see you. And remember, please leave a comment. Leave a comment now. Let me see how me I go. Cause if you don't, how me I gonna know the process and the progress. Hey. Hi guys. So today is Friday. I just came back from swimming, then I went for a little bit of shopping, and then I went to my appointment. So that's what I did for my week. The way I go swimming every Friday, yeah? I should be swimming like a fish and blowing water, squirting water like a dolphin. But you know what? These girls still use our floaters. Maybe I only go for socializing. Because they're my swimming friends, so this girl can't float. Big up yourself if you can swim and float and do your thing, because I'm still learning. Hey, so I'm gonna end this vlog here on this Friday, and then start back a new vlog tomorrow where I'll be going to work. That's Saturday. So if you reach this far watching my video, thank you. Do the thing, leave a comment, and remember, if you're new and haven't subscribed yet and just checking out the thing, please do, because guess what, it's free and you're helping out a girl, your pal. So remember to like, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. So I'll see you in another vlog. See ya.